Hello, everybody, and welcome, especially welcome to Monkey People, to Mike Nesmith people, to people who love unboxings, people who love reissues. Welcome. My name is Sam. I don't say that enough in my videos, but my name is Sam, and welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Uh, I do appreciate the subscribers a lot. It kind of gives me motivation to continue making videos and all that good stuff. To borrow a little bit from my friend Robert. So please subscribe if you haven't. I received in the mail a couple days ago. I haven't opened it yet because I've been saving it for this video and I've just been busy. You know, life happens. But I just received the latest reissue from the fantastic 7A Records out of the UK. Of course, if you don't know, 7A Records is kind of a boutique record label that specializes in monkey related projects, monkey reissues, new material. They just put out a fantastic new Mickey Dolenz Sings Michael Nesmith EP, which was the companion piece to his Dolenz Sings Nesmith album that came out last year. Now, the folks at 7A felt it in them to reissue this album right here. This is the fantastic Michael Nesmith album, and the hits just keep on coming. It's from 1972, so if you can do some math, 50th anniversary of this record. This is my first time having this on vinyl. As you can see, that's Nesmith's home at the time. On the back, there's old Nez sporting mature looking beard. What's crazy is Nesmith is still younger than me, I think, in this image, and he looks 40. So maybe I'm just a baby. I don't know. But you have essentially what's a acoustic, as much of an unplugged album as you can get from Nesmith. This is an album that he did with himself and then his longtime confidant, O.J. Orville, Red Rhodes, on pedal steel guitar, with Nez on the rhythm 12-string guitar. So this album was released kind of as a response to the record label that wanted more hits from Nesmith. And so Nesmith said, well, you know, I'm putting out music that I want to put out. Here's an album that's completely uncommercial. It's just a guy on guitar and a guy on pedal steel guitar. And so he gave us this album, which I believe is probably my favorite solo Nesmith album. It definitely holds my favorite Nesmith solo song, which is the song "Keep On." But also on here you have songs like "The Upside of Goodbye," which is beautiful. You have his version of "Different Drum," which he had recorded. Which he had performed several years before he joined the Monkees. It was already a big hit for Linda Ronstadt in the late 60s. But you have also, on the first time on vinyl, you have 4 bonus tracks, which I believe were reissued on a, well, actually I've got it right here. They were reissued on this little set right here, which is no longer in print. But it's the first time that those tracks have made their way onto vinyl record. But you have alternate takes of Some Shall His Blues, Keep On, Roll With The Flow, and then an instrumental called Cantata and Fugue in C and W. So very cool, and I'm very excited to get to spin this. I also have the CD version as well, which has, from what I understand, some great liner notes. So what I'm going to do for y'all now is I'm going to go ahead and rip into these things, and let's take a look together at the contents. So I'll start with, well, tell you what, let me start with the CD. Let's build up the hype for the record. And I know my buddies Tommy Burton and Chris Prophy are already fine recipients of this record. They've both listened to it and like it a lot. Well, I've talked to Tommy about it, and he's already spun it, and I'm pretty sure Chris has already spun it as well. But Anyway, no hype sticker, just standard cellophane plastic. So, as always, 7A has a nice thick sleeve for the CD. And you can see on the top it says 50th Anniversary Edition, plus bonus tracks. And the back is the same as the album. So we open it up, and great picture of Papa Nez there, black and white in color. And then you have some original notes from 1972 from Nez. And we open it up again. It's amazing that Nez is in his 20s right there. So there's that, and just kind of your standard CD there with the 7A label. And then there's Nez again on the beautiful acoustic guitar. And let's see what the booklet looks like. The album cover again. Additional 7A releases, of which I own all except for the Davy Jones. I need to get the Davy Jones set. Yeah, this is going to have all sorts of good information in there. Some great pics of Nez by photos by Henry Diltz. Some liner notes from 1973 from John Ingham. Oh, there's Red. And I believe the liner notes are by Joe Alterio, who I didn't realize until just a few weeks ago. So Joe just added me on social media, and I had no idea that he did the liner notes. So thank you, Joe, if you're watching. Look forward to reading those liner notes. All right, so there's the CD. Again, as always, nice packaging from 7A. So thank you, everyone there. And now let's get to the vinyl record. Now I know what this looks like, because first of all, I ordered it, and so I don't order really anything blind. And I just don't want to tear anything here. And again, no hype. So I'm just gonna, and it's a gatefold, so I'm not gonna save the shrink. But it's 180 gram vinyl. All that's gone. And there's the beautiful gatefold. Wow. Sorry, I'm taking this in here for a second. That's a really nice gatefold. Very nice. And then there's the liner notes by Joe. So cool. So there's nothing in the nothing in this sleeve, which is interesting that that's an empty pocket there. Nothing, no booklet or anything. But I can already tell this is some heavy duty stuff. So again, there's the label, matches the CD. And what color is the vinyl? That's right. Oh, that's really nice. So you can't tell really there, but oh, there you go, a little bit. It's got a speckled marbling in it, which I didn't realize when I ordered. Oh, that's so cool. When you put it up to the light, you can really see the marbling on it. to the, just looking at it straight on, like in this video, it's kind of cream color to match the album cover there. But wow, that's really cool. I don't have any vinyl this color, so fantastic. I cannot wait to spin this. I actually, my turntable is getting a slight upgrade to it. I'm getting a new cartridge in the mail any moment in the next day or so. So I will be sampling the new cartridge on this record. So there you are. Stay tuned. 7A has another Nesmith album coming out next month with the Second National Band. His album Tantamount to Treason, Volume 1. I've already got that coming in the mail, and they have some more stuff coming down the pike. So 7A, I'm gonna have to move out of my apartment after all the good stuff that y'all are putting out. So let me know, did y'all know about this album? If you have it, have you listened to it? Let me know. I'd love to talk to you. Again, subscribe if you haven't already. I love talking to you all in the comments, so give me all that good stuff. And in the meantime, I'll talk to y'all real soon. Y'all be good, and we'll see you next time.